What's up, guys? It's currently 7:30 in the morning and we are about to go on our plane. I'll see y'all whenever I get to the airport. What's up, guys? We just got to the airport. This is our jet that we're taking, and I'll talk to y'all whenever we get on the plane. If I really said anything, you wouldn't really be able to hear it because the plane was very loud, especially on the inside. So, yeah. You couldn't really see any of the land because we were really high up, but we were still flying over the US in this video. Here we are in Miami, Florida. We are about to land to get gas and stretch our legs. Here we had a pretty rough landing, but overall it wasn't that bad. There was tons of different really big planes in this area, so I wanted to go ahead and show y'all. Our next flight is about an hour, and that flight will bring us to the Bahamas. We were finally done, and we are now heading to the Bahamas. The clouds were really pretty, and we were almost to the Bahamas. finally made it, and it was an hour drive to the boat at the docks. We finally made it to the boat. The ocean was beautiful, and we were sailing away from the docks. We were already about 2 hours in, and I wasn't really able to film because I was pretty tired and I didn't really want to. The wind kind of messed it up. What's up, guys? We just found our room. It's a twin bed. This bed is for my sister. This bed is mine because obviously I want the window. It's dark outside right now, so you can't see anything, but you can barely see the waves going off the boat. See you guys in the morning. Here were some other boats that we found whenever we were going to anchor. We're also very lucky to see that Elon Musk was launching one of his rockets all the way from Texas. What's up, guys? I just woke up and look at this view. That is the most prettiest view I've ever seen. I'll show y'all breakfast. Bye. This is what we had for breakfast. Pretty simple. We actually had one of my mom's friends very nearby, so we went to the docks and we went to go see them. I filmed a lot of videos of these little fish because they were really cute. Then we went to go see all the iguanas. We also fed them. As we were leaving, I really wanted to show y'all the view from here because it was very pretty. This was a conch that my sister got. Here was Pablo Escobar's drug airplane. We weren't really able to film much of it because it was just a bunch of water currents that we couldn't really get around through. Then we went to go see something crazy. Just wait until you see. That boat was actually for people to dive under and see the sharks. There was bull sharks, lemon sharks, tiger sharks, all these different sharks. It was awesome. We were here because we were going to go feed some nurse sharks. It was really cool. Check it out. What's up, guys? We just woke up. We woke up to this beautiful view. This is our last day on the boat. It was kind of sad, and as well, my mom kind of got a little sick, so it was just me, my dad, and my sister. We went to go see some mangroves, and it was very windy at this time. The video, guys. We just landed, we're in the car, and that was our plane. Make sure to subscribe, guys. This video took me a long time and a lot of effort, so I'll see you guys later. Without the crew, none of this would have been possible. I want to give a big thanks to them because they really made this trip enjoyable.
Subscribe.